In 2012, community fridges started in Germany, and they grew globally. Their popularity exploded over the pandemic, with more than 200 spanning the U.S., from Seattle, Washington, to New York, New York. More than 13 million U.S. households, or around 35 million Americans, experienced food insecurity sometime in 2020. Generally, the issue wasn't a lack or shortage of food, but how they received it. The Love Fridge's goal is to address food insecurity when members of a community make most of the food. However, local restaurants help prepare nutritious meals too. Volunteers give these meals, and people in need can take them out from the fridges. People come every day, and that is why the fridges are empty all the time. Problems with a lack of food are anchored in communities, typically to Black and Hispanic families who live in areas with poorly supplied grocery stores. However, in 2019, $408 billion worth of food was either uneaten or unsold, which makes 35% of all the prepared food.